Well, welcome back and thanks for joining us here at News 5. We broke some records here in southern Colorado and along I-25 specifically though for the Springs. These are those high temperatures that we saw for the day. 71 here in the Springs, 73 down in Canyon City. Those were the only two that really made it up to those 70s. Everybody else was only in those 60s, but that is still very much above average for this time of year. So Colorado Springs, we actually broke that record high for today. Now that record in the past was 70 degrees, and that was back in 2021, and we hit 71 degrees for today. So we did end up breaking that record only by a degree, but we still broke it. As for temperatures right now, 56 here in the Springs, 35 down in Pueblo. I do believe it is a little bit colder than that here in the Springs. That sensor might be off by just a few degrees, but out in the plains we're going to be really all over the place. Some of us in those 40s, some of us in those 30s. As for tonight, the Springs will make it down into those mid-30s, 36 degrees by those early morning hours, and then right at freezing for Pueblo. We'll have some partly cloudy skies in the area, but we'll continue to see that move out. Overnight lows tonight, 36 for the Springs, 32 down in Pueblo. Most of us will be in those 30s, a few 20s along the plains, and those mountains will be much colder than the rest of us in those 20s, and some of us even in those teens. Highs tomorrow, again, will be right back above average. 61 for that high for the Springs is what I have, and then 65 down in Pueblo. Out in the plains will also be in those 60s, so enjoy this warmer weather because I am tracking some changes, and by changes I mean some snow. So this is what the upper atmosphere is looking like currently. So we have these two low pressure systems on either side of the U.S., and that's helping us to get this really zonal flow. And what I mean by that is it's just flowing from the west to the east. We get some downsloping winds with that, and that actually helps to heat us up here along I-25. So we'll continue to see that throughout Tuesday, and that will actually also help to bring in some cooler temperatures. We'll start to see that going into Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, that's when we're going to see those potential snow showers. So futurecast is going to look like this on Sunday. We'll start to see those snow showers really for the mountains for the afternoon, but as you notice, they're going to be widespread at times. Going into Monday, we'll see that one system move out, and we'll start to see some more snow showers pick up for your Monday, and they're going to be pretty widespread at times, but notice it's really going to only stay towards the mountains. But then going into Wednesday, we could see some potential snow showers along I-25. If you do plan on traveling for Thanksgiving, this is what the travel forecast is looking like. Temperatures are really all over the place across the U.S. Warmer towards the south and then a little bit cooler towards the north. As for Sunday, this is what those temperatures will be looking like if you do plan on traveling for tomorrow across the U.S. As for your 7-day, will be 61 for your Sunday. Again, those snow shower potentials will be on Wednesday. Day planner for your Monday is going to be looking like this for the start of your work week. Pueblo, 65 for your Sunday. You guys will see more of a rain-snow mix going into your Wednesday. Canyon City, 61 for your Sunday, and you guys will also see more of a rain-snow mix with a high of 47. Woodland Park, 48 for your Sunday, and you guys will see the greatest impacts going into Wednesday.